Today's Tips du Jour mailbag question comes to us from Maine. Robert, I want to use a water-based Pore filler on my guitar. Which one do you recommend? Gary in Maine. Well, Gary, there's a lot of them available, and most of them work. One that I'm really partial to is the LMI water-based paste wood filler. And the interesting thing about this is water cleanup, that's great. Easily applied. It is very light, almost fluffy, kind of like a marshmallow. It doesn't shrink, comes in 4 basic colors, so you don't have to tint it. What else could you ask for? So Gary, as with any finish, surface prep is extremely important. The finish is only going to be as good as what's underneath it. When applying the water-based paste Pore wood filler from LMI, I sand everything up to 320. Get all the dust out of the pores because you want the wood filler to go into the pores. Then I take a paper towel, scoop out a little bit on the paper towel. I like to add a little bit of moisture to it, helps it spread a little easier. I go across the grain, mashing it into the grain, making sure that I get it all cleaned off. You don't want to leave a big residual build up there that you have to get aggressive to sand. I let it sit for about 30 minutes or so, slightly sand it with some 320, and then reapply. Sand again after about another 30 to 45 minutes, and apply a third coat. I usually do 2 or 3 coats. Then I let it sit for an hour or two, lightly sand the last coat, wipe off the dust, and then you're ready to go over with your favorite top coat. So Gary, this paste Pore wood filler was designed to work under water-based finishes. However, with proper care and attention, you can also use it under lacquers and other types of finishes. So I hope this helps. Happy building.